Welcome back, everybody. I'd say we're getting right into the heart of fall here. Got the winter coats coming out and leaves are falling. It's getting cool out and corn harvest is going on. So we are moving right along and we'll bring you guys right out to the field. So we'll catch you out there. But corn's going very smoothly. A few breakdowns here and there, but nothing too big. The corn, just like the beans, is varying in the bottoms. We're up to 19% in some of the bottoms, green leaves. But besides beans, you can't really go around corn near as easy. So we're just taking it and gonna throw some air on it and hope for the best. That's about all you can do, really. The rest of the field's running at 12 to 13%, so they are ready to go. Dry enough. We'll all mix her in the bin and hope that all comes out well. I don't know, I guess we'll find out in the spring. As you see, we're low in the bins. But why? Why do we want to store corn? The reason is next year's future price is already better than right now. So we can contract our corn for a little bit of better price and get a little bit more in return. And also the flexibility to sell as we please and as we need. And that's kind of the reason why we're loading these bins full. the stalks are holding just a little bit of moisture, or are a little bit wetter in that sense. They don't chop up near as nice, and then the Devastators have a harder time keeping them down, it seems. But I guess usually the ideal conditions are to be going in dry, but we have run it through mud, and everybody says that mud will stick to them, but we've never had that happen, so I've yet to be proved wrong on that. So we'll see. Hopefully we never have to find out. The drier the corn's getting, the better it's laying them down. Those Calmers and the Devastators are doing quite a nice job. Looks like a chopper's out here except for right there. But nope, not a chopping head. Does a beautiful job. Now, even though we're actively combining corn, this wet spot, besides its green weeds, is actually looking pretty ready to go. Oh yeah, they're dry. They're ready, popping right out of the pod. So even though they lost all their leaves, oh, they're pretty dry. They're ready to go. They are probably right around that 11% range again. So, but that wet spot was left because it was full of leaves when we combined. So that means they're ready to go now, and maybe one corn's done. I don't know. Guys, thanks for tuning in here at the Thrane Station. I also want to thank all 100 subscribers. I never thought I'd get this far, but nonetheless, everybody, keep watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take her easy.